Clutter. You know what a lot of collision repair facilities have in their detailing department? Clutter. There's always a bunch of spray bottles, most of which aren't labeled, or worse, a bunch of detailing carts. Then there are the shops that have both. The detailing carts mean you only work in one spot, so you make a bunch of bottles and then spread them around the shop. RSG has brought to market a solution that may fix both. The new Revive Hyper Concentrates. Check these out. The products we need for cleaning and detailing in easy to store and use concentrates. They allow you to reduce the number of space-taking carts filled with each of those 5-gallon drums. The color-coded for application and clearly labeled bottles make them easy to track. We've got soap, glass cleaner, general purpose cleaner, degreaser, and wheel cleaner. The pump system makes for a mess-free mixing, and hyper-concentrated formula means it lasts just as long as some of those 5-gallon mixing systems. And just check out the space we're saving. Now let's take a look at each of these. The soap has that full-body foaming lather that easily removes grime, road film, and dirt. The concentrated formula allows me to adjust the dilution based on what I need. I can dilute the product all the way up to an 1800 to 1 formula. The wheel cleaner is environmentally safe and can tackle everything from dirt to brake dust, oxidation, and even tar. It's a strong but acid-free product that I can use on wheels that are clear-coated, painted, aluminum, or magnesium. The Degreaser is a powerful exterior cleaner that quickly removes grease, tar, bugs, and grime. When I need an all-in-one interior and exterior cleaner, I reach for the hyper-concentrated all-purpose cleaner. This cleaner is organic and removes filth and odors from any surface, inside and out. It's strong enough to remove engine and wheel grease, but also good with carpet, seats, and painted surfaces. Truly an all-purpose cleaner. And possibly the most used cleaner in the shop, glass cleaner. This one is alcohol-based, ammonia-free, and doesn't leave streaks, fog, or smudges. If you're looking to save some money on your detailing products, reduce clutter, or get rid of those big rack systems, check out the Revive by RSG Hyper Concentrates and see for yourself what we've labeled them as cool tools.